Hello guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Recently, after updating my iPhone to iOS 26, it got stuck in a boot loop. It just kept restarting over and over again. No matter what I tried, it wouldn't boot into the home screen. It can be really frustrating, especially when you can't access your data. But don't worry. I've found 3 reliable methods to fix the iOS 26 boot loop issue and get your iPhone back to normal. Before you start, quick check. Before trying any of these methods, make sure your iPhone has enough power. If possible, plug it into a charger and let it charge for at least 15–30 minutes. Also, ensure you're using an original Apple Lightning cable and a stable computer connection, since we might need iTunes or third-party software later. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. This will usually fix minor software issues that are preventing your iPhone from turning on. Press quickly release the volume up and the volume down buttons. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If your iPhone successfully boots up, great. If not, move on to the next method. Method 2. Repair with iTunes or Finder. If a force restart doesn't work, you can try repairing your iPhone with iTunes or Finder. This will restore your iPhone to its factory settings, but it will erase all of your data. So make sure you have a backup of your data before you start. Connect your iPhone to iTunes. Next, you need to put your iPhone in recovery mode. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Then hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is detected, click Restore in this pop-up. Then it will start downloading the firmware that is needed. Once the download is complete, your iPhone should restart normally without looping. Method 3. Fix with Tenorshare ReiBoot. Our final method involves using a third-party tool called ReiBoot. This software allows you to fix various iOS issues without data loss. Once downloaded, connect your iPhone to the PC or Mac. Then click on the green Start button and choose the Standard Repair option. Here we'll download the firmware to repair your iPhone. Click it. When the download is finished, click the Start Standard Repair option. It will begin to repair. Your iPhone will turn on problem. Be patient and relaxed. The repair process will take a few minutes. After it finishes, your iPhone should boot up normally again. No more endless restarts, and all your data will remain safe on your device. And that's it. These are the 3 best ways to fix an iOS 26 boot loop on your iPhone. If none of these methods work, there might be a hardware issue, and you should contact Apple support for further help. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on the Tenorshare channel.